I'm going to show you exactly how to make a 2026 calendar in Canva using a simple step-by-step method that helps you design fast, customize easily, and get a professional looking result even if you've never done this before. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. First, head over to your Canva account and go to the search bar at the top. Type in calendar and press enter. Canva will instantly show you a variety of calendar templates you can choose from. Next, pick the template you like and click on it. Then select Customize this template to open it in the editor. Once you're inside, you can start customizing everything. Replace the quotes or text, adjust the colors, and change the typography to match your style or brand. You can also modify layouts, add elements, or tweak spacing until your calendar looks exactly how you want it. Once you're done customizing, head over to Share, then click Download. Choose PDF Print if you're planning to print it, since this gives you the best quality and cleanest layout. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You now know how to create a 2026 calendar in Canva that looks clean, professional, and ready to use. If you want more Canva tips, design hacks, and easy tutorials, hit like, and don't forget to join our free tutorial on how to sell Canva templates online, where we'll teach you the exact steps to create your own templates, set up a free online store, and market your designs effectively so you can start generating sales. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.